Let's count. Let's count, come sing along. Numbers are fun, let's learn this song. 1, 2, 3, come dance with me. Counting's fun for you and me. One little apple on a tree, 2 bluebirds sing with glee. 3 bright stars shine at night. Count with me, you're doing right. 1, 2, 3, sing with me. Counting's fun for you and me. 4 red flowers in the sun, 5 balloons, oh what fun. 6 cute ducks go quack, quack, quack. Count them all and clap right back. 4, 5, 6, let's do some tricks. Counting's fun and makes us quick. 7 rainbows in the sky, 8 white clouds floating by. 9 green frogs jump up and down. 10 happy kids in town. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's count them all again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting keeps our brains alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's sing them once again. Let's count, come sing along. Numbers are fun, let's learn this song. 1, 2, 3, come dance with me. Counting's fun for you and me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, wow. Big numbers, we can say them now. Count by tens, it's easy to do. Let's sing them loud, me and you. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, yay! Counting tens is fun today. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 more. Wow! Those numbers we adore. Big and strong, they make us proud. Let's say them all, nice and loud. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, done! Counting big numbers is so fun. 1, 10, 20, 30, see. Numbers grow so easily. 40, 50, 62. Counting's fun for me and you. Clap your hands as we count now. 1, 2, 3, take a bow. Stomp your feet and count again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clap and count, it's easy, see. Counting's fun for you and me. Let's count, come sing along. Numbers are fun, let's learn this song. 1, 2, 3, come dance with me. Counting's fun for you and me. How many fingers on your hand? Can you count them? Yes, you can! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hooray! Counting makes us smile today. 10 bright stars up above. 20 hearts full of love. 30 cars go beep, beep, beep. 40 kids fall fast asleep. 50 dreams in the sky so blue. 60 things for me and you. Counting every day. Numbers help us learn and play. Let's go faster, 1 to 10.